it gradually begins to feel genuine, as if something that was once just an idea is taking shape. The first foldable iPhone from Apple does not appear to be trying to do everything at once. Rather, everything appears to have been carefully considered and chosen, as if every decision was made with a goal in mind. According to a known leaker, this handset will only support eSIM and will not include a conventional SIM tray. That in and of itself says a lot about Apple's future plans: more space saved, a cleaner interior, but a change that not everyone will welcome right once. Apple appears intent about keeping a discrete camera control button, despite the company's aim for an incredibly small design, even smaller than the iPhone Air when unfurled. And not for any other reason. It's a simple concept. Foldable phones can be bulky and inconvenient at times. Changing settings or capturing a moment might be awkward, especially when using only one hand. This button appears to change that, according to Apple. It gives you a physical support system and allows you to keep stability while being in charge. Furthermore, it appears that they were willing to sacrifice internal space in order to make it happen. That is not a minor option. It's worth noting that Apple's imaging team was also seen analyzing foldable phones from competitors, like as Huawei, with a focus on zoom capability. Instead of matching everything, Apple may be holding back in this case. The first foldable iPhone is expected to contain only a wide-angle and ultra-wide camera, with no zoom lens. While some devices, such as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, advocate for a full triple camera setup, Apple appears to strike a different balance. Making things appear correct is more important than possessing everything. Furthermore, there are early signs that production would be limited in the beginning, about 10 million devices, implying that Apple is being cautious with its debut entry into this market. The price is expected to be in the premium range, making it one of the most expensive iPhones ever built. Something that was discussed but never fully realized. And just that changes everything.